Okay, we're going to make our stained glass for our rose window. Last time we did the cutting part, we made the pattern, and now we're going to make the actual stained glass using tissue paper and watered down glue with a brush. What you're going to do first is you just paint on some glue. Now it kind of beads up like that, and that's okay, just keep painting it on. And then you're going to wipe your brush off a little bit so that it's pretty much dried off of glue. You can just tap the tissue paper with your brush and it just sticks there, and then you just press it onto the wax paper and you just brush it on like that. Then you can pick the next piece up. Oops. And if you get two, that's okay, because these are going to overlap a little bit. Oops. And you just need to very lightly tap that piece of tissue paper. If you smash it, then you're going to have trouble picking it up. So just a light tap there. I picked up two, so I just put one down. There's the other one. And then you brush it on. This way your hands don't get gluey at all. Your hands shouldn't get gluey at all during this. And you're going to overlap them slightly. Okay, now I've pretty much filled that area that I had originally put the glue down, so then I get a little bit more glue, and I put glue on the wax paper, and I pick up the tissue paper and I start putting it down. And if I pick up two, I just set the first.
See how I pick up each one of the tissue papers one by one with my brush? The way that I do that is just tap and brush, tap and brush, tap and brush. And if I accidentally grab two, I just put one down and then I put the next one down. And then just tap and brush, tap and brush, just like that. Again, if I pick up two, then I just put down one and then the other, and then brush it on, tap and brush, so that all of these pieces of tissue paper are lying nice and flat. Then when I'm ready for another area, I get some glue and I just brush on some more glue in the next area, and then tap and brush, tap and brush. And you're going to continue to do this until the entire circle is filled with tissue paper. You don't want any of the wax paper, the clear paper, to be showing. It needs to be all filled with tissue paper. And it is okay if it overlaps. In fact, it should be overlapping a little bit. Again, tap and brush, tap and brush.
And when you've filled your whole circle, you're all done. You're going to take your rose window pattern, you're going to lay it in your circle, you're going to push down just on the black part. Be careful, try not to get your fingers in that colored part, just push on the black part. Rub it down. Rub it down really good. And now you're all done. We'll cut off the edges next week.